Igbo. I am so emotional right now. Obinatoka sugar, ripo. Our golden boys won 4 gold medals and 1 silver medals at the just concluded International Math Olympiad in Rome. Somebody shout power, shout power, shout power. Everybody must shake and rikada. Risakatakata. You go again. What is happening? How, Jehovah? How? These boys just made my day today. No force just show it to me with that. Like naturally maybe my day. But I'm so happy like a queen that I am. Him called again. Don Anne Lemon Chims of Diamond Special Schools Owerri, Imo State, won 2 gold medals in math and science. Chimdi Ebube of Evergreen Schools Enugu won a gold medal in math and a silver medal in science. Somebody shout power. Shout power. So, how? Why my golden parrot boy? And the boy lecture exam. Like you are an exam hall. You got that confidence that boy name exhibits. Onyedikachi Egejurum of Diamond Special Schools Owerri won a gold medal in primary math. Egejurum is the overall best in primary math in the whole wide world. Jehovah Shama. See, I always say it with alacrity. Without Igbos, there will be no good news in Nigeria. Always yoku. All the good news and positive reviews Nigeria gets overseas are majorly contributed by the Igbos. I am a proud daughter of Ndi. Some people were waiting to mock us. But Jehovah go so like Kendia. Jehovah Hell, Jehovah Shama. He whom God has blessed, he has blessed. No bagger, no oso, no bingo, no Jupiter, nothing, no Nkatojo can stop it. Somebody shout power in the comment section. No power. Who spoke when Jehovah Kusuni like Kendia has not spoken? Onye who gekwu na ebe Jehovah nkuso Jehovah saka ekubeghị. This is a testament that Jehovah Elohim Chukwu okike abịama Chukwu na-echebe ndị Igbo adịghị atụ ụra. He is alive. Alex onye ọ ga-adịrị gị na mma. Ọ ga-adịrị gị na mma n'ụtụtụ. Ọ ga-adịrị gị na mma n'ehihie. Ọ ga-adịrị gị na mma n'anyasị. As you took it upon yourself to sharpen the minds of ụmụ Igbo niile, ihe na-agaghị eme gị Alex. Ihe na-agaghị eme gị na ndụ a. I am super duper proud of you, Odogwu awụrụ guy name. Odogwu ana-ekwe na-eme. Congratulations to our golden boys. This is the beginning of another chapter of greatness in your lives. Thank you so much. Thank you for showcasing Igbo excellence. Thank you. Adi Igbo na-agọzi unu taa. Ihe ọma ga-ala na-esi n'ụlọ unu. Ụtọ unu pụtara eme ụmụ Igbo anyị adị happy today. Unu ga-ahụ ihe ga-abịa n'ụzọ unu. I love you all. Don't forget, if your children do not know how to speak Igbo or solve mathematics properly, bring them into my academy. If you want Japa or a defined solution concerning Japa things, come, I did for you. If you want to learn how to create content and edit videos, I am also here for you. If you also want to learn AI content, come, I did for you. We have lands available for sale across Igbo regions. Send me a DM.